Rice is nicely cooked. It is ready to be served. See how it has become? This is what we call Ghana Jollof. Authentic Ghana Jollof. Hello guys, you're welcome to the channel once again. This is your girl Mary and the channel name is Charles and Mary. And today guys, guess what? Today I am coming to prepare Ghana Jollof for you guys. As you can see in the picture, the ingredient that I'm showing to you guys. So today the Ghana Jollof that I'm coming to prepare, I'm coming to show you guys the step by step and the ingredient that I need to prepare my Ghana Jollof. So let's go through the ingredients one after the other. I have my tomatoes here, which I'll be chopping. Then my kpakposhieto too over here. Then the onion. I have my chicken. I have my rice, I have my grounded ginger and onion, I have my tomato paste, I have my grounded pepper, I have my salt, I have my frito oil that I'll be using to fry the meat and use it for the stew, for the jollof. I have my remi adobo, which I'll use in steaming the meat, remi garlic and ginger for the meat as well. I have my ginger magic pepper and onion tomato seasoning mix. I have my Gino herbs spices, that's curry powder. I have my remi stew and my Maggi. So these are the ingredients I will need for my Ghana Jollof, and I have. So guys, these are the ingredients that I need to do my Ghana Jollof, authentic Ghana Jollof, and we'll go through everything one after the other. Just follow me step by step and make sure you are taking your notes. So first and foremost, my pot is on fire. I'm coming to start seasoning the meat, which is the chicken. So my chicken is going in there now. I'm adding my salt to taste, my chopped onion, my remi adobo and garlic, my blended ginger, and my Maggi to taste. I will have to steam this for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll cover it for it to steam well. Steaming really well. I always, anytime I'm cooking jollof rice, I like to add lots of water because I use the chicken stock to prepare my jollof rice. So I'm adding water now to my chicken so that it will boil with it at once. So this water you see on my chicken, that's what I'll use in preparing my jollof rice. So anytime I'm preparing jollof rice, I don't add normal water. I only use the chicken stock, or if it is beef stock, this is my tomatoes, kpakposhieto, and my onion I've chopped so nicely down, waiting for the chicken to be done so that I'll fry, then I'll start with the stew. Let's check on the meat. Yes, you can see how it is boiling so nicely. The meat too is looking very tender. Our meat is done now, so I'll take it off fire to start frying. So off the fire. Take it off. My frying pan is on fire now to fry my meat. Putting my oil now. Fry my chicken now. The chicken is frying so nicely. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please click on the subscription button and click on the notification so that anytime I post a video, you get notified. And if you have any question you want to ask about my Ghana jollof, from the preparation to the end, just let me know at the comment section. You can see how my chicken has browned so nicely. Like this, it is done, so I'll just take them off. And see how it looks so beautiful. And I'm using the oil that I use in frying the chicken. I'm going to use that same oil to prepare my stew and to cook my jollof rice. Putting my oil in there. I wouldn't use that much. My tin tomatoes is going in there first. Now I can add my chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, and my kpakposhieto. My chopped tomatoes, onion, and kpakposhieto is in them now. I have to stir it nicely Then leave it on fire for about 5 minutes. I'm adding my Jollof pepper and onion. My Remy stew, Remy ginger and garlic, then my curry powder, just a little bit. The pepper in the Jollof pepper and onion wouldn't be enough, so I'll have to add a little bit of grounded pepper to it. My grounded pepper is in there. I'll stir so that everything will go in there. Then my onga, Maggi, the tomatoes and the onion, including the kpakposhieto, are all vegetables. So normally I don't really allow it to cook very well before adding my rice. I add my rice at this stage because all will cook together to become one. So I'll be adding my rice right now. I haven't added salt to this stew because I told you I'll be using the chicken stock, and the chicken stock, there is salt in there already, and all the spices that I've added also have salt. So I'll have to add the rice, then add my chicken stock and taste for salt first if it is not enough before I can put normal salt to my stew. So this is my rice, nicely washed. I'm adding it now. I will mix it first. See how I'm mixing it. Mix it like this. I actually lowered the fire now. So now I'm coming to add my stock now. And this was the chicken stock you can see here in the same pan. So I'm adding it. So you see, the water from the stock is enough for my rice, so I don't need normal water again. So I'll just stir it gently like this. You can see my kpakposhieto on top. I love kpakposhieto a lot. It gives your food flavor. So now I can taste for salt now. My salt is enough. Jollof rice is such that if you don't manage your salt well, you end up putting a lot of salt and your jollof rice will just become salty, and I don't think anybody will like it. My salt is so perfect. It's perfect too. So as you can see, I'll leave it on fire, on a very low fire, for it to do its magic now. So now the jollof rice and all the ingredients are on fire. We are just waiting for it to be done. So I'm coming to cover it. We'll leave it on fire to do its magic. Yes. So let's check on our jollof rice now. I have to stir it like this so that the under won't burn. Let's cover it once again so that the heat will take care of it. Checking on my jollof rice again. Ooh, Ghana jollof. So have you seen how it is? I hope you followed step by step and you see how I did everything from A to Z. My Ghana jollof. Have you seen how it is nicely cooked? So all the Nigerians out there, this is how we've been preparing our secret Ghana jollof that have been tasting so nice, so delicious, ready to be served. See how it has become? This is what we call Ghana jollof. Authentic Ghana jollof. All the ingredients that I use for my jollof rice, I'll put it on my description. So yours is just to go there, take a look at it and just follow the video, watch it to the end, and you'll be able to cook your Ghana jollof. So my Ghana jollof is ready to be served. This has been your girl once again, and this is Ghana jollof, authentic #1 Ghana jollof in the whole world. Thanks to each and every one of you that has subscribed to my channel. This has been your girl Mary, and the channel name is Charles and Mary. And those who haven't subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Click on the notification button and click on the subscription button so that anytime that we post a video, you get notified. Thank you so much. We love you. Bye.